Hello, guys. Welcome to Easy Learning, Engineering Made Easy. Now, let us begin. Good day, everyone. So, my name is Professor A. So, today, our experiment would be determining the moisture content of a material. What is moisture content? Water content or moisture content is a quantity of water contained in a material, such as soil, called soil moisture, rock, ceramics, crops, or wood. How can we determine the water content of a material? Moisture content, or MC, is equal to air dry minus oven dry over air dry multiplied by 100. Now let's go on with our materials. We would need sand or fine aggregates, gravel or coarse aggregates. Next, we'll go with our equipment. We would need an oven, a pan, and a weighing scale with a sensitivity of 0.01 grams. Now let us proceed with our experiment.
Okay, so we're going to measure our first aggregate. So this is the moist aggregate. So the first one would be 400. Second one would be 440. And last one would be, our last trial would be 412. Okay, so later on we're going to put it in the oven. Next, we'll be testing our sand. So our first trial, or our first set, would be, our first pan would be 270 grams. Second would be 218 grams. And lastly would be 227 grams. So we're ready for ovening, right?
Okay, so let us proceed to putting our materials in the oven. Our oven should be at 100 degrees Celsius. Note, as per AASHTO 255, the sample should be dried until further heating, causing or would cause less than 0.10% additional loss in mass. And unfortunately, due to the pandemic, we were only able to oven the sample for 3 hours. So now let us proceed to measuring the weight of our aggregates.
Okay, so we're going to test now our oven dry aggregates. Okay, so for our first pan of aggregate, so we'll be testing, we'll be weighing it. So as you can see, it's now 393. For our second one, so it's now 424. And for our last trial, so as you can see, it's now 396. So now we're going to test the sand. So we're going to do the first trial. So it's now at 258. Next, our second trial would be 198. And for our third trial, it'd be 215. Okay, so all we have to do is compute the moisture content, and we're all good to go.
So from our notes, we can actually make a table. As you can see, we can make a table for our trial and our air dry weight and oven dry weight. Now all we have to do is compute for the moisture content. As you can see, for our gravel, our first trial, all we have to do is we have to subtract 400 grams minus 392 grams over 400 grams multiplied by 100, and we will get 2% moisture content. And for our sand, our first trial, all we have to do is subtract 270 grams minus 257 grams over 270 grams multiplied by 100, and we will be able to get 4.81% moisture content. So I hope you guys learned a lot from our experiment, and see you guys in our next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more similar content, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.